Alrighty, dudes and dudettes, welcome back to the Hot Damn Racing Team, and if you're new here, welcome. Okay, if the audio is not that great, all right, just to get started, I'm using a remote microphone. I've done it in a few videos, all right. The audio is not perfect, but it gets rid of all the noise going on in my neighborhood for the most part, all right. And a lot of people don't have respect, okay, and they like to be as loud as they want, although nobody else likes it, okay. It's just not cool. All right, so just moving along here, I have the factory Ram 1500 blacked out badge here. I had blacked it out myself years ago, and now it's chipping and looking kind of ugly. And nowadays, the truck is turbocharged and is pushing 922 rear wheel horsepower. All right, so I figured that I should be able to legitly put this turbocharged Ikonic badge onto the truck. I mean, I think that it's going to look really nice and fit the truck quite well. So the first thing I'm going to do, we're going to move along really quickly. I have some fishing string. A lot of guys will try to pry this off. We need to get some focus here. Come on, baby. I'm not sure why you want to do that to me. Okay, some focus. Here comes a jet. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go back and forth. Now this emblem has some pegs on the other side, so you're not going to be able to go all the way through, but at least we can get the most of it. Okay, you got to be really careful because the string is going to break when it gets hot. Now I see a lot of guys trying to pry on it. I don't really want to pry too much because I don't want to damage the paint that much. I don't want it to be hard. All right, so it broke. All right, we're going to keep going here. We got focus. We got focus. Double checking here. Got to get through the adhesive. Once I get through most of the adhesive, I'm just going to go ahead and pull it off with my hands. Whatever happens, happens. It shouldn't take that long. Okay, so let's go ahead. I think I got most of it. There it is. Wasn't an issue. There we are. Now please forgive me on the focus here. I'm going to do the best I can. Now what I need to do is get rid of the rest of the adhesive, which is only that much. Lucky for me. Okay, that's not going to happen for everybody. That's been on there since 2015. Now I'm going to take some quick detailer. What I'm doing is I'm jumping back here and making sure we have some focus. Take some quick detailer. All right, and I'm going to get, yeah, I guess there's still a little bit on there. I'm going to get rid of as much as I can. The quick detailer, I'm going to try to clean it up here. Okay. Shouldn't take that long. A little bit of scrubby. All right, maybe we can do this video right here without any cuts. Okay, it's not the most amazing video, but kind of showing you how easy it is. I didn't think it was going to be this easy. All right, want to get rid of all the junk here, all the rest of the adhesive. All right, well, I guess I don't have to get rid of all of it. It doesn't really matter that much. The reason being is the factory emblem has adhesive on the whole back. This one's just around the edges. So anything underneath, if you look here, will never show, will never matter. All right, but you still want to clean it up the best you can. Okay, so if I think I could take it off, I'm going to try to take it off. All right, come on. A little bit of scrubby rub-a-dub. A little bit of pressure there. Come on, baby. All right, I'm really excited about this. Okay, there it is. That wasn't that bad at all. I mean, we didn't make any cuts in this video, so it's really a matter of minutes type of thing. There, oh, that's pretty clean, man. Okay. Got a little scratch right here, which I'll buff that out later. No problem. Okay, a little adhesive there still. Oh, gone. Okay. Not too bad. This tailgate needs to be buffed out, but it's all right. Nobody can see it from the stands at the drag strip, I'll tell you that. And then most of the time when I go to the racetrack, it's pretty dark outside, so nobody can see most of the imperfections. Okay, that's good enough for me. I'm not trying to get too crazy. All right, here it goes. This is awesome. Okay, so I'm gonna peel off this little red backing. Ikonic badges. I got Ikonic badges on all my trucks. I currently own a couple. All right, so this is gonna be pretty easy to line up. Just gonna get it right down in there. Line it up there. The previous location. I'm gonna stamp it in. All right. Yeah, that's straight, baby. Woo! Okay, I like it. All right, let's pull everything else off. The rest of the tape. Oh, I've been waiting to do this for so long. I've had this badge, I don't know if I just mentioned it, for over a year. Okay, there we go. All right, that's super cool, man. Oh, yeah. Okay, let's get this tape off. Trying to use my finger now. Ah, there we go. Come on. Oh, that's so cool. Yeah. Okay, I can dig it. Okay, let's get this part. This is the most difficult part. It's getting this little protective pieces off. Okay. Come on, buddy. Come on. There it is. Wow. That thing looks good. Okay. It's been sitting for a while. It's a little dusty. Man, that's perfect. Woo! I'll tell you what, that's gonna make the diesel boys mad. Oh yeah. They're like, oh, 1500, why you got the turbo thing on there? Well, because the truck is turbocharged. I'm gonna have to figure out how I'm gonna detail that. Yeah. This emblem isn't brand new. It doesn't come dusty. This emblem's been sitting for a long time, so there's a lot of little dirt and the little crevices. But all right, that don't matter. It's on. It doesn't want to come off at this moment. Perfect. Man, that's so cool. All right, now I need to get like some little brushes or something to be able to clean it up a little bit, but yeah, check that out. Okay. Oh man. You can see there's dirt and stuff in here. Got to clean it up, but that looks awesome. The sun is over right here, so it's kind of making it, the camera, oh, look at that. Woo! Wow, here's the angle right there. I can see a little, let's get rid of that. Okay. Wow. Man, that looks good. Yeah, that's perfect. Holy smokes. Yeah, little streaks, who cares? Clean it up. The truck needs to be washed anyways. I've been color sanding and buffing it and stuff like that, so it needs to be washed. I'm taking my time. But man, I'm glad to have this on there. That is a nice looking badge. Wow. Wow. Alrighty, dudes and dudettes. I really appreciate each and every one of you that watch. Okay. It's really awesome. And you know what? You guys are the baddest, not me. Get some.